ginpanindugan ni US President Donald Trump nga pinal na ang iya ginhatag nga deadline sa Iran agud nga makig-negosyar. Martes ang iya ginhatag nga deadline. Pasado alauna subong sa kaagahon oras dito sa Iran. Sano kay Trump, wala na sang extension bangod malawig na ang iya ginhatag nga tiempo. Suno pa sa iya, pananglitan maglapaw sa Martes sang gabi kag wala pa sa negosasyon nga himuon ang Iran mag-aatake na sang mas mabaskog ang puwersa sa Estados Unidos ng Amerika. Nagpaandam ini nga kung hindi pa pagbuksan ang Strait of Hormuz, imando na niya ang pag-atake sa mga power plant kag sa mga taytay sa Iran. Wala naman na balaka si Trump, apesar may mga nagasiling nga mahimo na nga war crime kung bombahan sini pati ang mga civilian infrastructure sa Tehran. Ang matuod nga war crime sano kay Trump amo ang pagtugot sa Iran nga makahimo sang ila nuclear weapon.
Every bridge in Iran will be decimated by 12 o'clock tomorrow night, where every power plant in Iran will be out of business, burning, exploding, and never to be used again. I mean, complete demolition by 12 o'clock. And it'll happen over a period of 4 hours if we wanted to. We don't want that to happen. We may even get involved with helping them rebuild their nation. And you know what? If that's the case, the last thing we want to do is start with power plants, which are among the most expensive thing, and bridges. You saw the bridge went. We were very close to a deal. And then I got a call from Mr. Witkoff, Mr. Kushner, and JD saying, I think they're breaking the deal. I said, tell them that's okay. Don't worry about it. But tell them to look out their window and watch. And within 45 minutes, I gave the order to knock out the biggest bridge. I gave the order, knock out the biggest bridge in, I believe, the Middle East, but the biggest bridge in Iran. And within 10 minutes after I gave that order, that bridge was over. So do I want to do that? No. Do I want to destroy their infrastructure? No. It will take them 100 years to rebuild. Right now, if we left today, it would take them 20 years to rebuild their country, and it would never be as good as it was. And the only way they're going to be able to rebuild their country is to utilize the genius of the United States of America.